Tuturu! Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new, subscribe, I upload every video, it's gonna help my channel. Today we're gonna build this stupid building from Kit Bash. As you can see, yes, just 4 cubes. Of course it's not gonna be the same, but the whole idea, yes, we're gonna create close to this. So, I wanna very quickly mention, I started a Patreon, as you can see. And if you wanted to support me, that will be fucking cool. But first, I must upload more right here content, okay? So this is in the future. Basically, the whole idea on this Patreon, I wanna upload more, 3D models for you guys to download and, for exchange. You just, supported me, and I wanna upload like hundreds and thousands of models for you guys, basically to download. Yes, for free. But this is in the future. Let's model in this stupid fucking building, as you can see. It's gonna be something like this. So, I am in Blender, I have my cube. I'm gonna select this cube by the left click S and move the mouse to make it bigger. Maybe something like this. Now, what do you wanna do? Select this cube, click tab to go to the edit mode. Click 3 to choose face selection, okay? As you can see, I can select this face. So 3 to face selection. Select this face up right here. And click ES and move the mouse to make it smaller, maybe something like this. And what you want to do, just select, as you can see, I just rescale this face, yes, so ES and just move the mouse to make it smaller. And you have selected this face. Once again, easy to extrude. Once again, easy to extrude in the Z-axis. As you can see, I can extrude this right here. And once again, I just selected this face, yes, ES, and maybe I'm gonna make it bigger, maybe something like this, why not? And once again, I'm gonna select this face, easy to extrude. And once again, if you have this problem, click once again easy, and you're gonna have in the Z-axis, as you can see, you can extrude this stuff. And once again, select this face, ES, to make it smaller, and easy, and once again easy to make it bigger. As you can see, we have modeling this stuff, and click tab to go to the object mode. As you can see, this is of course not the same shape, yes, but the whole idea is just 4 cubes, yes, but you can basically extrude just up this face, easy, bam, ES to rescale, easy, ES to rescale. It's very simple. So what do you want to do? Select this stupid stuff. Of course, how you gonna choose what kind of shapes you gonna choose, how much, how big you gonna extrude those fucking face? It's your choice, okay? So select this, click tab to go to the edit mode. And what do you want to do? If you want to do this correctly, just select this face, hold shift, select those faces, because we're gonna apply different material right here, yes? Because if we're gonna apply some window material, it's not gonna work right here, because we don't want to have windows right here. Hold shift once again and select those faces right here too, yes? Right here. If you don't know how to navigate, I'm gonna show you. Go on the view navigation. Right here, view navigation, work navigation, right click assign shortcut shift F, and you can travel. So I just holding shift and selecting those faces, and select this face down below, why not? Bam. Right click, separate, selection. And you can apply different material to this stupid faces, yes, as you can see, and click tab. So I have separated those faces because we don't wanna add the same material, yes, right here. So what next, guys? There's a couple ways to do this. You have Blender Kit, of course. If you don't have, just tab in Google or search, okay? This is some add-ons in Blender Kit. And you can choose this kind of stuff and select tab right here, Windows, okay? I'm gonna show you. But I'm gonna show you the modeling stuff too, okay? Because it's very simple. So you can choose whatever windows you want on this stupid stuff, yes? Maybe I'm gonna choose this. It's gonna look like shit. Of course, it's looking fucking like shit. Why? You can of course rescale this. Maybe I'm gonna choose those windows. Yeah, this looks a little bit more better. And you can go on the right here on the icon, shader, editor, and you can rescale this with those windows, and you have stupid windows, yes, of course. And you can apply different material right here. But I'm gonna show you the modeling stuff. So I'm gonna just Control Z all this stuff, yes, as you can see. Now the texture is low, it's not great. So you can rescale those windows. Of course, you have in Blender. Yes. So I'm gonna Control Z, all this stuff. Now, what do you wanna do? Select this stuff, okay? Not the roof, basically, yes, that we separated, but this stuff. Go, click tab to go to the edit mode. Select one face and click A to select all. Right click, subdivide. And how much you're gonna subdivide, this is your choice, okay? How big the window is gonna be. Maybe I'm gonna subdivide this by 2 times. And later on you can subdivide this stuff too. So 2 times I just subdivide this, select the face, A once again, and click right here the bevel tool. And you have this green line. And in the previous tutorials, just grab this and just move a little bit. And this separate, as you can see, the windows from the building, yes. And how small the windows you want to create, this is your choice. I'm gonna go something like this. Right click and separate selection. Why? Because you want to apply different material to the fucking windows, different material to this gap between windows, if that makes sense. So you get the idea. This is how they have, yes, as you can see, but they have small windows. But you can do small windows too, okay? And how you're gonna shade this, this is your choice. So I'm gonna just go right here and select the windows, yes, that I separate. And I'm gonna tap maybe glass right here on the Blender kit. And I can choose whatever glass I want. Yeah, as you can see, this is just that my stupid glass. And I can select the part that I have this gap between windows. Later I'm gonna show you once again, okay, how I create this. And you can choose whatever material you want, okay. This is just fucking tutorial. I don't know, metal or whatever you fucking want, you can choose, yes. And you have this stupid stuff, and you can apply different material basically, as you can see, to the ground, to those right here, to this shape, because we separated those faces too, and the roof, yes. You can add different material right here, those tiles. Let's go. And you just created this stupid building. Of course, it's not the same like in the Kit Bash, but you get it, the whole idea. This is like, you can play around with the stuff, just bevel the stuff. Later I'm gonna share once again. Yes, they just use different fucking materials, but it's basically very fucking, not same, but very like close, okay? They're using the same techniques basically. What next, guys? If you are like, oh, those windows are too fucking big, what do you want to do? I'm gonna go right here on the solid view, select the windows, click tab to go to the edit mode, and you can bevel those windows once again. So select right here one face. This is important. Select the one face, click A, and right click subdivide. How much you're gonna subdivide, how big the window is gonna be. So you basically just creating another gap on those windows, yes. So maybe I'm gonna subdivide, as you can see. Wow, this is fucking small windows. So I subdivide this by 2-3 times, and once again select one face. This is important. A, choose the bevel tool. Why are you selecting the face? Because later on, if I'm not selecting one face and click A, I'm gonna just bevel this, as you can see, and I have this gap selected, yes, right here, and I can separate by right clicking and separate selection. If I'm not right clicking on the face and later click A, it doesn't happen. It doesn't select those gaps. You get the idea? So I just separate, selection, bam. And the whole idea, you have those gaps, and I can apply different material to this. Wait, this is the gaps. Yeah, this is the gaps. So I'm gonna just hide this. I can add different material to this stupid shit, yes? As you can see, I have smaller windows on my stupid building. So whatever materials, of course, you're gonna choose for the gap between windows, for the windows, okay, you can play around on this stupid shit. But the whole idea, I'm gonna show you once again in speed motion, okay? Just bevel the stuff and create smaller windows, as you can see, and I have those gaps between the windows, and it's cool. And you can apply some HDR right here, and you have your stupid futuristic building. Yes. So let me just create once again this. Shift A, cube. Okay, this is the speed motion. Right here, I'm gonna move this. S. Now, tap to go to the edit mode. 3, select the face. ES, scale. EZ, EZ, right here. ES to rescale. Maybe I'm gonna make it bigger right here. EZ, EZ. Wait, guys. ES. Wait, guys. That's something that's not right. I'm gonna select this face. Can I select this face? ES. Thank you. EZ, EZ. Right here. ES, EZ, EZ. Bam. Click tab. Once again, click tab. Select those faces that you don't wanna bevel. Basically, yes. So I'm just holding shift and left clicking on those faces. So hold shift, select this face. Bam. And whoa. Select the faces. I just misclicked because my mouse is double click. So it's not gonna be its speed motion. Whatever, you just selecting those stuff, yes? I'm not gonna select all. And you just travel and select the ground. Separate selection. Bam. Select the part. Click tab. A to select all. Right click. Subdivide. How much you're gonna subdivide? This is your choice. How big the window is gonna be. Select the face. A. Right here. Bevel tool. Grab this. Bam. Right click. Separate selection. I have my windows, yes? Oh, the windows are too big? Okay, select the windows that you separated. Click tab. Select one window, A, to select all. And subdivide the windows, right here. Right click, subdivide. And you can subdivide those windows. And select one window, A. Choose the bevel tool, you have the bevel tool. Grab this line. Bam. And create those gaps between windows. Right click, subdivide, selection, boom, and you can apply materials to the stupid shit. But you have all the parts right here separated, yes? So I don't know what this is really is. I can add glass right here, yes, whatever. I can add whatever I fucking want to this material. Now this is the gap, and I just add the gap on the glass. No, I just add glass. That's fucking nice. This is the gap. I can add whatever fucking color I want, whatever material I want. Oh, and I have the gaps between those smaller windows. And I have separated these stupid roofs too. So I can add right here different material. You get it, the idea? This is not very complicated. And you can shade those buildings wherever you want and whatever shape you want, okay? To create those stupid stuff. This is just idea, okay? As you can see, it doesn't look too close, but looks... The whole idea is like, as you can see, we have the gaps. We have smaller windows between those gaps, and we have just a very stupid cubicle kind of shape. And you can create some sci-fi building with using this modeling stuff, yes? So I hope you get it. If you not get it, just I'm gonna explain for the third time. Okay, for you. Shift A, as you can see, Shift A, cube. GX, I'm just travel with this cube right here. S, rescale. Tap to go to the edit mode. Click right here on the face selection. Select the face. E, S to create smaller face. EZ, move the mouse once again. EZ to lock in the Z axis. ES, move in and make it bigger, as you can see. EZ, move, and EZ, lock in the Z axis. Yes? And you have selected this face. ES, once again, make it smaller, or whatever shape you want. EZ, move the mouse, and once again, EZ to lock in the Z axis. And you can go and do the same thing. Basically, you can select the face, hold shift, select those faces. Yes? Just left click on those faces that you want to separate, because you don't want to bevel those stuff, because we don't gonna apply windows on the roof. and on those gaps, as you can see right here, yes? Hold shift, separate this stupid stuff by, if you are selected all, right here, right click, separate selection. Okay, click tab to go to the object mode, select this stuff, tab, I'm just explaining. To go to the edit mode, select one face, A to select all, right click, subdivide. How much you're gonna subdivide, how big the window is gonna be. I'm gonna subdivide 3 times. You have the bevel tool right here, choose bevel, select one face, A to select all. You have this green line, grab this fucking green line and just move a little bit, and you have, and leave the left. You have selected those gaps and you will want to separate those gaps. Right click, separate selection, and you have your windows, you have your roofs or whatever, you have your gaps between windows. And if you are choosing, oh, the windows are too big for you or whatever, select the windows, click tab, A to select all the windows, as you can see, right click, subdivide. How much you gonna subdivide? This is your choice. Maybe I'm gonna subdivide something like 3-4 times. Cool. Click right here, select one window, A to select all, and once again bevel this. So bevel, choose right here, bevel, grab this stupid green line and just move a little bit to separate, yes, to create those gaps between those stupid windows, if that makes sense. Just grab this and try to separate. Okay, leave the left click, right click, separate selection, and you can apply different materials to each part. This is your smaller windows, this is the gaps between windows, this is the bigger gaps between those selections of windows, and this is the roofs. You can choose Blender Kit and shade this stuff. I hope you get it. This is not very fucking, how to say, complicated stuff. You just bevel those stupid cubical shapes. I hope you get it, guys. Thank you for watching this strange tutorial. You can apply different material, of course, yes, because they using some texture. They have, you know, their textures on this Kitbash, but you can use Blender Kit or you can download from internet. You can create different kind of shapes of those buildings, yes. Just bevel those stuff. Separate bevel, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye, guys.